Hello, welcome to Printer Tales. Today we will learn how to reset your printer toner in Brother HL-2300 series. Let's walk it together. Step 1. Remove the plug of your printer's power cord from the outlet. Step 2. Open the front cover of your printer and slide out the drum toner. Kindly do it a little carefully, it comes out smoothly. Step 3. Press and hold the green button on your printer. Step 4. Plug the power cord into the outlet quickly. Step 5. Check if the toner, drum and paper light flashes. Step 6. Press and hold the green button for 10 seconds more. Step 7. After 10 seconds, release the green button and press it 9 times. Step 8. Check if the toner, drum and paper light flashes again after going off. Step 9. Press the green button 5 times. Step 10. Close your toner and the front cover. Final step. Wait for the toner to reset. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comment section.